I've just lost a lot of weight, so I'm really trying to sell this right here. See that right there?
It's fine.
Okay, so we're gonna use the Color Icon blush. The thing with these is they're very buildable. So they give you a nice sheer wash of color.
Great.
And I'm just gonna go around the outside of the face, blush the nose, and along the chin. I'm gonna take that shade that we used under the brow, go right down the bridge of the nose. What's great about this is it doesn't look like something I've drawn on my face. Just when the light hits it, it grabs it and it gives it a little bit of a glow. A little bit of like, ooh, look who is she? I do want to mention that that blush makes you look quite a few years younger.
Ooh.
A nice peach glow to the cheeks always makes everyone look a little bit younger. So if you don't have it, go buy it.